Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to unbox the U Flex, which is by Samsung. Okay guys, this is the device, and over here you can see that this comes in a very neat packaging, and to note, there's a 108 degrees flexible bendable neckband and a stable Bluetooth sound. And so let's begin with the unboxing. So now we open it. As you open it, you will see the main device itself, the level U, and it's very flexible, as you can see. So now in this box you will get a quick start and the cable, and it runs on a micro USB cable, which is actually disappointing at this moment, because in the Samsung Bud you get the USB type C cable, and then you get the startup guys and extra buds. So now let's test this out. Okay guys, now I'm setting up the device. So first I enter into my phone, then go to the Bluetooth settings. Then over here there is a Bluetooth button which also can on the device. So now I on this and put it in pairing mode. Now since I have a Samsung device, it's showing the U Flex, so I can connect it easily without any hesitation. Okay guys, now I'll be testing the audio quality of the U Flex. So let's see how it goes. Okay guys, the audio quality of this is pretty good, and I prefer this compared to the buds, because whenever the earpiece falls out of your ears, if it happens, then the buds can get lost easily, while this will still remain with you. And also, I have not yet tested for the calls or anything like that as of now, so I might tell about this later on in my later videos. And the price of this in India is around 3,500 in Amazon. The link will be in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please press the like button and do subscribe for more videos ahead. Thank you and goodbye.